Hi friends, this is Prime Minister YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set one-handed mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings here and then go to advanced features. Go to advanced features and turn on the button against one-handed mode. Now click over 100 mode, and to activate 100 mode you will have two options. First option is gesture, then button. Using the gesture, just you can activate 100 mode. What you have to do is just swipe down here. Yes, 100 mode is active. This is left-handed mode, so you can go to any page using the left hand only. You can access the whole screen. Okay, I go to different options in my phone. For right-handed mode, just click here. Just click here, and this is right-handed mode. To have full screen mode, you can tap on the empty screen. Once again, I activate 100 mode. If you again swipe down in the bottom middle, it will also go to the full screen mode. If you want to use button option, you can do it. Again, go to the same settings and go to advanced features. Go to advanced features and click on 100 mode and tap on button. Tap on button. What you have to do is double tap the home button here. Okay, instead of swipe down, just double tap and 100 mode will be active. This is right-handed mode. For left-handed mode, you go to click on this arrow mark. This is left-handed mode. So in this way, you can easily activate one-handed mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.